Welcome. In front of me is DELL Latitude 3520, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check this device's temperature. So in order to do this, we'll have to install the program called CoreTemp. So open your web browser, then open the search engine and search for CoreTemp application. Now, on the official allcpu.com website, you'll find the application. So open this website, then click download, and once the installation files download on your PC, open it. Then you can close the browser, click yes, click next, accept the user agreement to continue. Then click browse if you want to change the destination folder of your program. Then click next. Then if you want to create a desktop shortcut on the following page, keep this checkbox checked, otherwise uncheck it. Make sure that you uncheck the second checkbox if you don't want to install any unwanted software on your PC. And if you need an additional language pack, then install additional language packs by leaving the checkbox checked. If you don't need them, then uncheck them. Then click next, click install, click next again, then uncheck the readme part and click finish to run the application. Now, in the following window, you'll see the information about your CPU, like model, platform, frequency, and on the second part of the screen you'll see the temperature graphs. So here you'll find the current temperature of each CPU core of your laptop. Here is the minimal registered temperature, and here's the maximum registered temperature of each core on your PC. And here is the load of each core if you need it. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.